Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 13th of October, 2021. Hope you had a good trading Monday and Tuesday. It wasn't that exciting, but Tuesday in particular was very kind of narrowly contained. Didn't even trade average daily range, so we are where we are. Markets are looking a little lower here early based on the fact that Apple seemed to have cut some projections and complained about their supply chain issues in their earnings release and after the bell. And so we'll see. We've recovered from the lows, but we don't know if that's going to fix anything. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. It's the daily chart of the broad market futures form. Obviously, it is what it is. We're not really anywhere yet, but feels like the downtrend has started, right? You can now draw an official downtrend line with 3 points for the first time in a while. After having an uptrend in place for months, years. So, not a great time of year for it in October. We never like to see that. And if we break the lows under the 42.60 level there, or whatever it is, that could be a problem. All right, let's go through the major daily charts. So, crude oil is down 15 cents to 80.49, obviously near the highs. Not great. Gold up $3.50. Nobody seems to care about inflation here. S&P cash lost 10 points, but was pretty contained, like I said, and we'll look at that in the intraday action here in a few minutes. Nasdaq 100 down 51 points after being up earlier in the day. And again, this one, you break around that 14,400 level on the Nasdaq, and we definitely have a downtrend in place here now, and that's not going to be great. So we'll see what happens there. The SOX down 43 points. Biotechs are up 5, which is a blip, but still well off the highs. Russell 2000 up 13. We keep talking about this in this narrow range it's been in since last February. I mean, this is untradeable. Keep in mind, this is the Russell 2000. That means 2,000 stocks add up to this index that has gone nowhere in 10 months. Very interesting. The Dow down 117, and I know we don't really look at the Dow, but it is what it is. TLT, the 20-year 20-year bond ETF was up actually $2.42. Good for lower rates. The advanced decline ratio on the Nasdaq was plus 703. So more stocks up than down on the New York plus 651. More stocks up than down again. We got the trend at 1.3, which puts the 10-day back to almost 1. So no sell signal. There's that no 0.85. Although we're about to start dropping off a couple of big numbers on the trend, and that could lower that quickly. Nasdaq volume 4 billion shares. The VIX closes down 15 cents to 1985, but still kind of mid-range for where it's been. Apple down $1.30. Like I said, it was down more in the aftermarket. Amazon up $1. That's literally a blip on Amazon. Facebook down $1.68. Google down 49.30. So that's not super great either. Goldman Sachs was up $1.29. The banks not falling apart yet, so it is what it is. Netflix down $2.10. Okay, that's off the highs. Tesla up 13.78. And Zoom up $1.52, but that's still near the lows, obviously. Bitcoin now at 56,745. Wow, that's a big run. We got the 13 sell signal. We ran into the green static trend line. Can't get through it yet. We'll see what that means ultimately as we get through this. 5-minute candles on the ES, so you can see how, like Monday, we had the small gap down, rallied up, came back by lunchtime. We were back in the opening 5-minute candle, dead flat after lunch, and then we sold off a little bit in the last short period of time before the close. Tuesday, though, small gap up, filled, went lower, came back. We're nowhere. I mean, the whole day is nowhere, right? We're still nowhere at coming out of lunch. We're in the opening 5-minute candle, and that makes Tuesday even worse than Monday. So there's not much else to say from that perspective. Just wasn't an exciting trading day. We had a nice winner on the futures, and we had a couple stock calls, so it is what it is. In terms of economic data on Wednesday, we've got the 30-year bond auction and the minutes from the last Fed meeting, and that's about it. Not much there. CPI, though, an hour before the bell, so we'll be half size for forex. And that's it. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.